Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. Scores in the match. Wolmer's boys are on 6 points, Dinthill Technical on 1, as we head into the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Wolmer's boys, you were sent in to bat first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which man died at 910 years?
No, not Seth.
Kenneth.
Keenan. What is the clinical term for a gap between human teeth?
Lastimo.
That's right. What specific literary device is used when a character speaks aloud to himself?
Calm. No, monologue.
Soliloquy. In which country was the American basketball player Brittany Griner arrested and charged in 2022? Sorry?
Russia.
That's right. On what date is World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day celebrated?
September 18th.
May 8. What kind of mountain is created when 2 plates collide?
Folder block.
Block.
Fold mountain. What instrument is known as the predecessor of the piano?
Calm. This is the... Pass.
It's a harpsichord. What is the chemical name for 2 amino acids linked together?
Polypeptide.
A peptide or dipeptide. What is the product of 204 and 9?
So that is 2040 minus 204.
1836.
That's right. What kingdom does the Black Panther rule in the movie of the same
Wakanda.
name? That's right. Which country suffered the second highest number of casualties in World War II?
Poland.
China. Roy Emerson. And we won't have time. Well done, gentlemen, for your first minute. Dinthill Technical, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which man died at 912 years old?
12. Sheth.
Sorry?
Sheth.
Seth is the answer. Periodontal disease affects which specific part of the human body?
Periodontal.
The gum.
That's right. What literary device juxtaposes contradictory terms?
Paradox.
Oxymoron. Which Australian activist founded WikiLeaks in 2006?
Pause.
Julian Assange. Which date is celebrated as All Saints' Day each year?
November the 1st.
That's right. What type of mountains are caused by faults in the Earth's crust?
Blocked.
That's right. In which country was the musical instrument the oboe invented?
Africa.
Africa.
France. Apart from silicon dioxide, what is another name for the chemical combination of silicon and oxygen?
Sand.
Silica. What is the product of 209 and 5?
That is 445.
1045. What metal is Wakanda's most precious resource in the Black Panther movie? And that's vibranium or vibranium. Well done, Dinthill, for your first minute there. And Africa is a continent, right? Indeed. France was indeed the correct answer there, looking for the country. Okay, Wolmer's boys, coming back over to you for your second minute here in the Speed Challenge. Give the first and last names of the inventor of the mercury in glass thermometers.
So this is Daniel Fahrenheit.
Good. What human body part is El Pulgar?
The thumb.
That's right. Who wrote the novel East of Eden?
Islamic.
That's right. Complete the Jamaican proverb, coward man kip.
Sunbone.
That's right. Which biblical characters had extra oil for their lamps?
The 10 virgins.
5 wise virgins. The dorsalis perdis artery, DPA, is a main artery of which part of the body?
The lower back.
Foot, actually. Spell Alsatian, which is a type of dog.
Alsatian.
Good. Who is the president of Portugal?
Wait, Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa.
Good. Which country is sometimes referred to as the Kuwait of Africa?
Come go with
Kenya.
Rwanda.
Angola. What is the name of the state which lies at the center of the Balkans?
Balkans. So come go with no man, not Lithuania. Lithuania.
Kosovo. Which artist recorded the album 30?
Adele.
That's right. Specifically, in which group of the periodic table is the element boron found?
This is group 13.
That's correct. Okay, 13 or 3A. Well done, Wolmer's boys, for your second minute. Dinthill Technical, coming over to you now. It's time for your second minute. In the former USSR, what did the letter R stand for?
Republic.
Republics, plural. Give the first and last name of the inventor of the alternating current electric motor.
Come. Pass.
Nikola Tesla. What human body part is El Hombro?
The shoulder.
That's right. Who wrote the novel The Master and Margarita?
I love leaves.
Mikhail Bulgakov. Complete the Jamaican proverb. And a same-day leaf drop.
We're buttoning rotten.
It rotten, judges. Which biblical character said he heard the sound of the abundance of rain after 3.5 years of drought? Sorry?
Elijah.
Elijah is correct. What is the name of the smallest muscle of the glutae in the human body?
Gluteus maximus.
Gluteus minimus, spelled Dauphin, which is the eldest son of a French monarch.
D-O-P-H-E-R.
Dauphin, who is the president of Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. This is Rodrigo Chavez Robles.
That's right. Give the official name of the country, sometimes referred to as West Africa's water tower.
Algeria.
Republic of Guinea. Juba is, and we won't have time there. Well done there, Dinthill Technical, for your second minute. Soon come. Wolmer's boys, coming back over to you now. Time for your third and final minute. $700 is shared in the ratio 5 to 9. What is the larger portion?
14, so that's 50 times 9.
200 times 9.
So that's $450.
That's right. Who plays the role of Michael in the comedy series My Wife and Kids?
Calm. Wayans. Damon Wayans.
That's right. Who was vice president to United States President Jimmy Carter?
Calm. Not Ronald Reagan. Ronald Reagan.
No, Walter Mondale. For which European football club does Sadio Mane play?
Sadio Mane.
Bayern Munich.
Good work.
That's right. What is the name for the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of an object by 1 degree?
So this is heat capacity.
Thermal capacity is what I have. What is the first person present tense of the Spanish verb trabajar?
Trabajo.
That's right. Who wrote the collection of poems entitled White Egrets?
Calm.
They're cold cut.
That's right. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Every tub afisitan.
Ito na bottom.
That's right. In the Bible, what was the name of the pool where Jesus sent a blind man? Sorry?
Bethsaida.
No, it's Siloam.
Next one.
What connects the left and right cerebral hemispheres of the human brain?
Corpus callosum.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of loved.
Unloved.
That's right. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. Dinthill Technical, we're coming back over to you now. Time for your third and final minute. Which artist recorded the album In These Silent Days?
Adele.
Brandy Carla. And in which group of the periodic table is the element copper found?
Papa. Group 5.
Group 11. $630 is shared in the ratio 5 to 4. What is the smaller portion?
120.
280. Who plays the role of Elliot in the drama Law and Order SVU?
Pass.
Christopher Meloni. Who was vice president to U.S. President Dwight Eisenhower?
Dwight Eisenhower. Arias Truman.
Richard Nixon. For which European football club does Moussa Diaby play?
Pass.
Bayern Leverkusen. What is the name given to the state in which two bodies in contact are at the same temperature and there is no flow of heat between them?
Insulation.
Thermal equilibrium. What is the English translation for Nosotros necesitamos otro libro?
We need a book.
We need another book. Who wrote the novel Choice of Straws?
Pass.
E.R. Brathwaite. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Wayana no olda.
Daniel.
That's right. In the Bible, name one of the 4 rivers, and we won't have time. All right, well done, Dinthill, for your third and final minute. That is the end of the speed challenge. Scores in the match. Wolmer's boys have advanced to 26. Dinthill Technical still very much in the game on 8 points. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.